Okay, my name is Abdullah Amer. I am the group head of IT at Sécheron Hustler Group. Sécheron Hustler Group is a manufacturing company, about like 1,200 users, headquartered in Switzerland, and we have many production sites, let us say, in Europe and outside Europe as well, and many sites, not production, from China to the United States of America. That's about me. About my team, also we have a team kind of in Europe, even though in China. So we have an IT from IT engineers, IT administrators, and managers as well. That is across, let us say, our sites and productions. So let us say, as I mentioned, like, yeah, we are 1,200 users. Okay. We can say in Geneva, we have like around 300 to 400 users. In Bern, we have 100 users. In Prague as well, we have like 600. And then after that, it's decreasing between like 50 to 100 around, let us say, our sites. And yes, we all support them. We have also like multiple IT centers, which is to be close to the users for the physical IT issues. And we support the remote users as well. Now, before Service Desk Plus, let us say there is a lot of manual work we have to do, multiple channels, by email, by phone, walking around to the IT department, mentioning the issues, which is like about a headache for every IT department, I believe. Now, with the Service Desk Plus and all the business rules, which is we created, and we automate all these kind of ticketing. Once the ticket is arrived from, for example, from UK, it will arrive automatically to the team in UK. It will auto-assign. So Service Desk Plus like really helped us a lot to organize our work, automate our IT operation. In addition, like for the management, like my position and anybody like in this kind of position, which is looking on reporting statistics, how many SLA like we violate, how many tickets we have, to do like, in addition to the service desk management, we are using the module, which is asset management as well. So we're trying our assets. We can do our amortization. We can see like in the budget time, how many machines like we need to renew, like in one click, in one report. So yes, I would say like Service Desk Plus really helped us in regard of operation level and reporting level. Once you got used to it, like the users stop communicating with us in any other channels. So once they see the problem, it's especially like we have a categorization in regard of ticketing, we have a sub-category in the ticket. So while also like he's defining his issue from the user side, it is helping also our side to identify this ticket is going to where. So it's a kind of solving. Like we have like one person like for the service desk, like the one who's taking the phone, what's your problem? And instead of that person who's just like taking the information from the user is just like fill it in. And then I would say it is easier for the user because once we do the communication, it is replying and going to that ticket. So for the user, if he's facing the same issue again, he would just like go to the ticket and see the conversation, the solution within that ticket. So I would say also it's added a good value also for the users as well. We mentioned like, okay, we need the Service Desk Plus. We put the scope of the project, let us say the requirement, and they helped us, let us say, to implement it. For me as an IT head, like I need the problem to be solved and it is getting solved, let us say through Kiden. And I believe also ManageEngine is working in the behind for that as well. Our highest risk for our company is security. Like we need a tool to analyze, let us say, all the issues. If we have like users, like they are complaining about all the security, about this, I received phishing email, this kind of statistics, which is provided by ManageEngine, it can running analytics behind and help to improve the security.